In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recolor in GIMP. Let's get started by opening GIMP. Once the program is up, bring in the image you want to work on. Head to the top menu, click File, then Open, and select your image from your computer. After it loads into your workspace, you're ready to apply a new color tone while keeping the original shading and detail intact. Next, go to the top menu again and choose Colors, then Colorize. This tool is designed to give your entire image a consistent tint, so highlights and shadows remain natural while the color shifts to whatever you choose. When the Colorize window appears, you'll see three main sliders: hue, saturation, and lightness. These control the color itself, how intense it is, and how bright or dark it appears. Start with hue. Think of hue as moving around a color wheel. Dragging the slider cycles through reds, oranges, yellows, greens, blues, and purples. Choose a value that matches the mood you're after: cool blues for a calmer feel, warm reds and oranges for energy, or greens and teals for a modern, stylized look. Take your time here, because hue sets the overall direction of the recolor. Next, adjust saturation. This controls color intensity. Increasing saturation boosts vibrancy, making the new color pop more. Decreasing it makes the tone subtler and can even bring the image close to grayscale if you move it far enough. If skin tones or textures start to look unnatural, ease saturation back until details feel realistic again. Subtlety often preserves more depth and avoids a flat, painted appearance. Finally, set lightness. This changes the brightness of the applied color. Raising lightness brightens the image, which can lift shadows but may wash out highlights if pushed too far. Lowering lightness deepens the tone, adding mood and contrast, though too much can hide fine details. Small moves here usually produce the most natural results. Aim to balance lightness so your highlights still sparkle and your shadows keep their depth. As you fine-tune these sliders, watch how the image responds. The goal is to land on a combination where the color feels intentional and the original texture and shading remain clear. When you're happy with the way everything looks, click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. You opened your image, used colors and colorize, adjusted hue, saturation, and lightness to taste, and confirmed with OK. With just these controls, you can quickly unify a color theme, create a stylized look, or correct tones across an entire photo in GIMP.